So the thing is, this is how most people market. Most people will, for example, sign up for an affiliate offer or sign up for a program or a business opportunity or a company, and they will just cast their line out and start reeling it in with worms on it and just then say, hey, I'm trying and it's not working. I'm trying, it's not working. And so along comes a mentor. So here comes an OG vet, walks over to us, says, boys, sit down. Let me teach you a thing or two about fishing. Those fish over by the rocks, you're going to need this bait right here. You get this bait right here from the store. You're going to need this bait. And when you throw the line out, don't hit it against the rocks. Don't, just dip it up and down, up and down, up and down, up and down. Watch. And he does it, shows. This guy's catching fish. You look at this guy, he's got trophies for fish all over the place, right? And you're like, man, it's not working for me. Why is it working for him? Because he's not just casting out a line with basic little worms on it. He's understanding each fish represents a different audience. All over this lake are all these little micro groups. And rather than casting one line and trying to reach all the different groups with it, he's casting a different line to each group that is much more of a fit for them. I call this bridge marketing. It was never taught to me. I don't even know if bridge marketing is the best term. I really don't. I just have called it bridge marketing forever. I've been calling it bridge marketing since 2013, right? Since I started teaching in 2013. It's been a decade I've been teaching this. So essentially what I'm trying to share is that when you market something online, if you're just marketing it general, you're just trying to get everybody to just join something, you got to imagine you're like somebody who's casting out a line with the worm on it. You might get somebody, some fish like worms, but you're not going to get anywhere near someone like me. You're not going to get anywhere near somebody who's actually just going to dominate the leaderboards, because they're going to go to each individual pocket of people and they're going to do a different offer. So now let's take your offer, right? Your offer, you should not look at your offer as one pitch. You should look at your offer instead of, okay, I call it static versus dynamic. So if you're taking notes, you might want to write this down. Static versus dynamic. Static is an offer that stays the same. This is my offer. It was my offer yesterday. It's my offer today. It's my offer tomorrow. It is your static offer. Dynamic is an offer that's always slightly changing. It's always slightly changing.